Horseradish is a white-colored condiment made from the white root of the horseradish plant, which is a cousin of broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, and is related to mustard and wasabi. The leaves are edible, too. The root is harvested to be used as an ingredient in cooking, and the offset is replanted the next year. The horseradish root may be consumed fresh, dried, in powder form, or as an ingredient in condiments such as mustard or mayonnaise, which in turn adds bite to them. Horseradish sauce can simply be grated with horseradish and vinegar, or it can be a creamy version. Let's get straight to it. Here are 5 options you can use to replace horseradish. 1. Wasabi paste. When using it in your cooking, use caution. Wasabi packs a punch, so check the amount to taste hand. If needed, increase it. Health warning: if you are allergic to horseradish, wasabi root or paste should be avoided. 2. Brown mustard. Use equal amounts when you substitute brown mustard for horseradish. 3. Fresh ginger. In order to obtain more spice, you will need more ginger than horseradish, but if too much is used, the flavor of the dish could start to taste bad. Using conservative quantities of ginger and acknowledging that the spice will be lower than the original recipe is your best choice. 4. Black radish. When substituting black radish for horseradish, use equivalent amounts. 5. Spicy hot mustard. Same as brown mustard, go according to taste. What does horseradish taste like? It just takes a tablespoon to bring tears to your eyes. Flavor-wise, grated horseradish is spicy. But the reaction is limited to a few seconds, unlike spicy peppers, so you will be back to normal in no time. This makes horseradish almost addictive because, for such a brief period of time, it is so intense. In the world of spices, horseradish is special because it's not spicy before you cut it. Its volatile compounds, called isothiocyanates, are released only when they are exposed to oxygen, producing the fire that you have come to know and enjoy for sinus clearing. Vinegar prevents this reaction while also stabilizing the taste, so the addition of vinegar is needed for most preserved horseradish recipes. What are the benefits of horseradish? Before you go skipping horseradish, let's take a look at some of the positive benefits of horseradish. Of course, if you're allergic, don't consume horseradish. Here are some health benefits to horseradish. 1. Helps fight cancer. 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. 3. Can help treat urinary tract infections. 4. Enhances digestion. 5. Fights inflammation. If you need a substitute for horseradish, you should find several options at your local supermarket. They all work well with wasabi, brown mustard, fresh ginger, black radish and hot spicy mustard. Be sure to like, hit the bell notification, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.